What else do you need? Take your shopping cart. Take your cart. Look over there. Look, Katie, over there. See on the over there. What about the little boxes? Don't you need those little boxes? Go ahead, grab them. Those little boxes on top. No, not the animals. There you go. The box of cookies. Here. Look. Right here. The box of cookies.
No.
You don't want those? Oh, okay. They're not good for you?